Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, recently I took a 7-day road trip across 7 states, visiting at least 2 tourist destinations in each state. Today I will be sharing my Kea Falls experience Cross River State, South Nigeria. Like, comment and share. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do so and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Kea Falls is one of the most spectacular waterfalls in Nigeria and one of the most popular in Cross River State. It is situated within the urban side of Cross River National Park along the Ibo River in Akampa local government area. Let me start by saying that this wasn't much of a happy trip for me and my friends because of the incidents at the fall. Well, I lost my drone there and we spent most of our time looking for the drone. And because of that, we are unable to explore the fall as much as we are supposed to have. We started our journey from Calabar after a memorable evening at Marina Resort the previous day. The road was much better, so it took us about 1 hour to get to the fall from Calabar. On getting to Kea Falls, it seems nothing have changed since I last visited. Rather, it was getting worse. The structures at the fall have all deteriorated. Cross River, which was once the tourism capital of Nigeria, seems to have lost its glory. After paying the tour guide, we left for the waterfall. There are 234 steps leading to the waterfall. We went for the long hike, which Shima described as temple run.
To the evil forest. Okay. Hello. That's a very long time ago. Eu vou ver tambor, ó. Olha.
On getting to the waterfall, I decided to take a drone shot of the environment, but my home point couldn't update. But I went off anyway. As the drone approached the first waterfall, I lost connection and couldn't see the drone anymore. That was where my pain for the day started.
Oh, you don't need to let your body go. Hungry heart, it's not easy to start over. I've been there a couple of times, starting over.
For 1 hour 30 minutes I looked for this drone. I wasn't sure if it fell inside the water or not. I used every means available to me to find the drone, like Find My Drone app. I couldn't use GPRS because there was no network. At a point, I got tired of looking and decided to leave. I couldn't imagine losing my drone with everything in it. The whole trip we made from the 6 states out of the 7 states we were supposed to visit. Another previous trip we made. On leaving the waterfall, I stood by the car thinking of what to do. At that point, I was more interested in finding the drone and retrieving the memory card in it. At a point, I decided to go back to the waterfall. On getting down there, I found the drone by the edge of the river on a rock. The battery was out, and I picked it up. After I got the drone, I decided to go back and retake a drone shot of the place. Emma and Prince advised against me doing that, but I couldn't imagine, leaving without making a video of the place. Not after the long trip and after what I went through, looking for the drone and everything. So I went back, made a short video of the place, took an aerial view of the waterfall, and we left for Ebonyi State, which was our last destination for the trip.